A guy named Al Shaib and Dr. Puckett from Oklahoma State 25 years ago mapped the Anadarko Basin mega complex, okay? They recognized the overpressure and how important it was to the plays that were being made, but in future years said, guys, this is something you got to look at because it'll be important to tight reservoirs, and it is today. As we sit in 2017, 83% of all the wells drilled in the Anadarko Basin are horizontal. Well, obviously, over the last 20 years, horizontal technology has taken off. We've tapped into new reservoirs that we never tapped into before. And as you can see, starting in 2000, very, very minuscule production from horizontal wells, but starting in 2009, and especially in 2011 to 12, this thing exploded. And this was driven by two things: drilling and completion technology and technical understanding of what it was that we were looking for. I mean, it went hand in hand.